Almost half of the upcoming crypto coin Shiba Inu has been burned off circulation in one fell swoop, and also it was not a coincidence or a mistake. It was a plan hidden by the public for coin awareness or quick pump scheme. The best answer will be exposed today. Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. Before we start, subscribe to this channel. Also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video, you will be get notified. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, share it with your friends and family. Now let's jump into the video. Ethereum's co-founder Vitalik Buterin, who became the world's youngest known crypto billionaire less than 2 weeks ago, has donated over $1 million in crypto to the India COVID Relief Fund and various other charities. He donated by offloading vast amounts of dog-themed meme tokens, which he was gifted by the creators of Shiba Inu coin, Dogolin, and also Akita Inu. These cryptocurrencies have taken up following Dogecoin's staggering rally of the last couple of months. Though developed around similar means, these copycats have much larger token supplies. In a single transaction, Buterin contributed 50 trillion SIBA tokens worth $1.2 billion as of the 12th of May to the India COVID Relief Fund set up by Indian tech entrepreneur Sandeep Nailwal. Nailwal is best known as the co-founder and chief operating officer of the Polygon. It's a protocol that aggregates scalable solutions on Ethereum in a multi-chain system. Buterin donated about $600,000 in Ether and Maker tokens to the fund earlier in April. Nailwal immediately required Twitter to thank Buterin and assured SIBA investors the funds will certainly be invested properly. We will certainly not do anything that harms any community, specifically the retail community involved with SIBAs, wrote Nailwal. Additionally, Ethereum's figure sent out around $441 million as of the press time of Akita to get a coin, an open resource bounties platform on Ethereum, according to the records from blockchain data provider Etherscan. Other notable contributions amounting to millions of dollars and made in Ether include gifts to GiveWell. A non-profit charity evaluator, Methuselah Foundation, concentrates on expanding human lives, and Machine Intelligence Research Institute focused on developing safe artificial intelligence technologies. The tokens were given to Buterin on the premise that he would not sell them. Anonymous developers of SIBA token have sent 50% of the SIBA token supply to Vitalik Buterin's wallet over the past year. The coin's website stated that 50% of the overall supply was burned to Vitalik Buterin, meaning the tokens have been permanently removed from circulation, or at least that's what the developers presumably envisioned. Some market followers speculated that Buterin might rug Shiba holders, simply speaking, sell the coins, turning what appears to be a marketing stunt against the creators and the holders. Without a doubt, Litherion's moves have significantly affected the cost of the tokens. According to Coinbase, Shiba Inu is down 36%, Doggle and Mars is down 65%, and also Akita Inu is down more than 50% over the past 24 hours since press time. Importantly, this can suggest that the actual help received by them, charities that might end up being much less than the intended amount, still hold over $1 million in Ether. However, he had transferred each of his holdings virtually to various addresses right before he made the contributions. Vitalik Buterin, the inventor of the Ethereum blockchain, said he would not get a tax write-off after donating more than 50 trillions of the joke coin Shiba Inu to the India COVID Crypto Relief Fund. Since Shiba Inu, a meta play on the ridiculousness of Dogecoin, has been incredibly volatile lately, the worth of Buterin's donation has fluctuated extremely. At one point, it deserved about $2 billion, after that fell to around $800 million. Buterin stated in an interview that he is taxed as a citizen of Singapore whose rules are significantly cleaner than in US or Canada. He is not eligible for a write-off. He claimed Ethereum, the world's most used blockchain, was invented by Buterin in 2013 and built by him in a group of co-founders including Gavin Wood, Joe Lubin, and Mihai Elizi. Why SIBA holders are farming at Vitalik Buterin, the founder behind the Shiba Inu coin, is an anonymous person called Royce Pseudonym. According to Shibu's white paper, Royce signed out half of Shibu's token supply to Buterin's wallet. Royce did not define his objectives behind gifting Buterin with Cebu. Yet he did state the following: there is no greatness without a vulnerable point, and as long as Vitalik Buterin does not drag us, then Shiba will grow and also survive. Yikes, that didn't age well. Royce expected Buterin to sit on a heap of Shiba Inu coins and do nothing with them. But as currently recognized, Buterin had various other plans. Royce is not the only coin founder to draw this stunt. The crypto founders behind Akita Inu as well as Dogolane likewise gifted Buterin with coins. Buterin's wallet is public, so this is likely a publicly stunt. However, the founders' marketing tactics went away when Buterin sold 660 billion Cebu, 140 billion Akita and also 43 billion Elan. Although Buterin technically did not do nothing wrong, he sold his gifted tokens for an excellent cause. His philanthropic efforts caused global panic. Shiba coin continued to tank in value instantly after Buterin's donations was disclosed. Probably since buyers as well as sellers expected the billionaire to quickly liquidate his holdings. Record stated Cebu token holders are farming at Buterin. Their dreams of making a profit from Shiba Inu coins appeared to be slipping further and further away. Elon Musk's announcement that Tesla will certainly no longer be supporting Bitcoin payments also contributed to Cebu's drastic decrease. Overall, this week was not a good day for all cryptocurrency capitalists, not just Cebu token holders. On the plus side, virtual money are known for being highly unpredictable, so there is a great chance that Shiba Inu as well as other affected digital assets will rebound. There is a silver living below. Cost drops indicates that investors can buy into their favorite altcoins at that cheap cost. And you can use this opportunity to buy Shiba Inu as well. What are your thoughts on Vitalik actions of burning his Shiba coins? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up today and subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.